You walk into a coffee shop. The barista looks at you and says, "Hey, what can I get for you today?" And then, nothing. Your brain stops. You start thinking, okay, what is the right word? How do I say this correctly? 3 seconds pass. 5 seconds pass. The barista is still waiting. You say something, but it feels wrong. It feels slow. It feels embarrassing. Sound familiar? This happens to almost every English learner, and it is not your fault. Here is why. In school, you learned a very clean, very polite English. "Hello, how are you?" "I am fine, thank you. And you?" That English is great for a test, but real people, real conversations, they sound different. They speak fast. They cut words short. They use small phrases, not long sentences. A real barista does not say, "Hello, what would you like to order today?" She says, "Hey, what are we having?" Or just, "What'll it be?" Your textbook never taught you that, so your brain freezes every time. But here is the good news. You do not need perfect grammar to have a real conversation. You need something different. You need fast phrases, small blocks, automatic responses. Today, we practice exactly that. Not grammar, not theory, real English, the English your textbook forgot to teach you. Let's go. Before we practice real situations, I want to give you 2 tools. Use these tools and conversations become much easier. Ready? Tool 1. Fillers. Here is a secret about native English speakers. They do not always know what to say, but they never go silent. They fill the pause with small sounds and words. Words like, "Well, actually, let me see, to be honest." These words mean almost nothing, but they do something very important. They give your brain 2 or 3 extra seconds to think, and they make you sound natural, not nervous, not slow, just natural. Let's practice right now. I will say a phrase. You repeat it out loud. Yes, out loud, not in your head, out loud. Ready? Well, say it again. Slower this time. We'll, good. Now this one. Actually, and this. Let me see. To be honest, you know. Perfect. Now you have 5 seconds before every answer, for free. Tool 2, the echo. This one is very simple and very powerful. When you do not know what to say next, just repeat the last word you heard, but say it like a question, like this. Someone says, "I just got back from Tokyo." You say, "Tokyo?" That is it. Then add one small question. How was it? So the full thing sounds like this. Tokyo? How was it? The other person feels great. They think, oh, this person is interested. And you? You bought yourself 5 more seconds to think. Beautiful, right? Let's practice the echo right now. I say a sentence, you echo the last word. Out loud. I started a new job last week. Your echo. A new job? Try it. We moved to a new apartment. Your echo. A new apartment? I've been really tired lately. Your echo. Tired? Why, what's going on? Great. You now have 2 tools. 1, fillers. Fill the silence. Buy time. Sound natural. 2, the echo. Repeat the last word. Ask one small question. Use them in every conversation. Now, let's go into real situations. Okay, time to practice. Here is how this works. I give you a real situation. I ask you a question. You have 3 seconds. You must say your answer out loud. Not perfect, not beautiful, just out loud. Then I give you the best natural phrases to repeat. Deal? Let's go. Situation 1, the coffee shop. You walk into a cafe. The barista looks at you and says, "Hey, what are we having today?" 3 seconds. Say something, anything. 1, 2, 3. Now, here is what most learners do wrong. They try to say something long. I would like to have 1 coffee with milk, please, if it is possible. That is not wrong, but it sounds slow. It sounds textbook, and the barista already stopped listening after coffee. Here's what real people say. Short, fast, easy. Repeat after me, out loud. I'll have a flat white, please. Say it again. I'll have a flat white, please. 1 more. Just an Americano, please. Can I get a cappuccino to go? A large latte, please. Thanks. Short phrases. 1 sentence. Done. The barista is happy. You are happy. No freeze, no panic. But wait, what if the barista asks a follow-up question? Something like, for here or to go? A lot of learners go silent again, so let's practice that too. Repeat. To go, please. For here, thanks. To go. Thanks so much. Simple, clean, real. That is situation 1. Now, quick stop before situation 2. I have a question for you. Did you actually say those phrases out loud, or did you just listen? Because listening is easy. Speaking is the work. So right now, go to the comments. Write your order. Pretend you're in that coffee shop right now. What do you want? Write it in English. I'll have a... Finish the sentence. This is real practice. Do it now. I will wait. Good. Let's continue. Situation 2. The unexpected small talk. This one is harder because it happens when you are not ready. You are in the office. A colleague walks past and says, "Hey, long time no see. How have you been?" And your brain does this. Okay, how have I been? Been, past tense, or present perfect? Wait, what is the difference? And how long is long time, and why is she smiling like that? Meanwhile, 5 seconds of silence. She starts to feel uncomfortable. You feel terrible. Here's the problem. You answered a grammar question instead of a human question. She did not ask about grammar. She asked, "Are you okay? Are we good? Is life normal?" So here is your answer formula. I call it A plus B. A, answer. Give 1 short feeling or fact. B, bounce back. Ask the same question to them. That is it. A plus B. Let me show you the bad version first. Bad version, I've been fine. Full stop. Silence. She waits. Nothing comes. Conversation dies. Now the good version. A plus B. Pretty good actually. Quite busy lately. How about you? Hear that? Pretty good actually. Quite busy lately. That is the answer. B. How about you? That is the bounce. The conversation keeps going. She talks now. You relax. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Not bad. Just been really busy. How about you? Again. Not bad. Just been really busy. How about you? Now this one. Pretty good actually. A bit tired but okay. You? And this. Honestly, a little stressed. But getting there. How about yourself? Notice something? You do not need to say much. 1 feeling, 1 fact, 1 question back. A plus B. Now, 1 more moment in this situation. What if they say something and you do not understand? Maybe they speak too fast. Maybe there is noise. A lot of learners do this. They nod. They smile. They say yes, yes, and hope for the best. Do not do this. It gets worse later. Instead, use one of these. Repeat after me. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say that 1 more time? Sorry, what was that? And if you understood some of it, use the echo tool from earlier. Repeat their last word as a question. The meeting on Friday? That tells them exactly where you got lost. They will repeat just that part. Clean, easy, no embarrassment. Okay, 2 situations done. You used your fillers. You used A plus B. You used the echo. That is real English. That is what fluent speakers actually do. Now, 1 more thing before you go. If this video helped you, there is more. On this channel, every video is a real English lesson, real situations, real phrases, real practice. Not textbook English, real English. We have a video about how to tell a story in English, even with a small vocabulary. We have a video about the most common English mistakes that make you sound unnatural, and how to fix them fast. And we have a video where you practice speaking for 2 minutes alone, and it changes everything. Click on one of those videos right now. Your English will thank you later. Keep listening, keep speaking. See you next time.